Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can see in the title and on my face, today I'm doing Ravenclaw Harry Potter's House Pride. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. For the base, I will start by using Phoera Beauty foundation in the coat color 105 Sand. This is a full coverage foundation which is very lightweight and it is also long lasting. To cover up any blemishes, I'm taking Dermacol full coverage foundation / concealer and apply on the targeted areas such as my under eyes and also my acne scars. Then I blend everything out using Beauty Blender. Next, I secure the base makeup using Revlon loose powder in the coat Translucent 02. Next, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 2 palette and using the color C2, I guess. This is lighter than B5. The last time I used B5, which is electric blue, but C2 is more soft and therefore this one goes for my shading. Then from my Ucanbe Spotlight palette, I'm taking this dark blue, which is this one. This one will be my contour. All the eyeshadows that I use are very highly pigmented. So if you want to try this look, I suggest you to start with a tiny bit first and add up more to get more color. Okay, so I've already done one side of my face. Now for this side, I'm gonna start with my brows. From Imagic Cosmetics, this blue color, this royal blue color, and this one goes to my brows. To prime my eyes, I will be using this one. Is by O.Two.O. It is a universal cooling eye primer. And the coat color is natural. I'm gonna dab it using my finger. Next, I'm taking the same dark blue eyeshadow from Ucanbe Spotlight palette and using this, what you call this, dome shape tapered brush or pencil brush, I guess. Yeah, I'm using this brush and straightly to my lid. Then I'm blending it upwards toward my crease. I changed the brush into the fluffy one so that I can blend it smoothly. I also bring the blue color to the side of my nose as the shading. I also bring down the dark blue color towards my lower lashes. For my brow bone, I'm going to use this cream beige color. This one is a matte eyeshadow. So it goes straight to my brow bone. To create a halo effect on my eyes, I'm going to use Dermacol concealer. This one is in the coat 211. So I'm not going to do a cut crease the whole lid, but instead I'm just going to focusing on the middle of my lid. Then I darken up the inner and corner of my eyes using the same dark blue eyeshadow. Once that is done, I'm taking this Diva Vanilla, which is the beautiful cream highlight from Chique Cosmetics La Macaroons palette. This one goes straight into the middle. Isn't it pretty? Like seriously, isn't that pretty? Then I'm gonna fill in the inner corner, the lower part of inner corner with the concealer first. And I'm gonna use the same Diva Vanilla to fill it in. Next, I'm gonna line my lower lashes, half of my lower lashes, and also do my mascara and put up some lashes. Today's eyeliner is Rimmel London's Candle Eyes 24-hour Kohl Kajal pencil. Kohl Kajal eyeliner. The mascara that I'll be using is by O.Two.O Gold mascara. For my lashes today, I'll be using these faux mink lashes. This one has no brand because I bought it in Shopee online, so now here comes the most exhausting part of this makeup. First, I'm gonna take this white paint and I'm just gonna sketch it out all over my face. No, all over my cheek. Design the shape of the wings that I want. And this take a very long time. Then using the blue face paint, I'm just gonna do some shading, add up some shadows, blend it out using my fingers. And then it's done. For my nose, I take this dark blue eyeshadow and just start focusing, what you call that? I don't remember. The beak. Yes, the beak. I'm not sure if it's eagle or hawk. If I'm mistaken eagle and hawk, I'm totally sorry. I'm not a bird expert, so then I blend it nicely on the edges. Ooh, I have very slim nose now. Now for my lips, I'm gonna use, surprise, surprise, the blue face paint. Looks so pretty. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Overall, I am so happy, so satisfied that it's over. And I also love how these wings turn out, although it's not symmetrical, but I will do my best to do it again one day. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you like this video, why not you give it a thumbs up? And if you want to see more, how about you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!